Hi, I'm Barb Steinberg, teen life coach for girls, parent coach, and speaker on teen girl issues. I wanted to talk about this one line that I love and I think is super powerful when it comes to raising girls that know themselves, like themselves, and make self-honoring choices. And the phrase is, I love you just the way you are, and I respect you enough to let you choose what is best for you. How great is that? Can you imagine someone saying that to you when you were a teenager? And maybe they did. And maybe that's why you're so healthy and awesome today. So, yeah, I love you just the way you are. That alone is super powerful. I love you just the way you are. You don't need to change. You don't need to be better in any way, shape, or form. You are worthy just as you are. And you have my love. Like that alone is amazing and powerful. But also that second piece, I respect you enough to let you choose what is best for you or what is right for you. That might be hard for some of us as parents to say if you feel like I know what's best for you. And, the elective theater is not what's best for you. The elective engineering is what's right for you. So we might feel strongly about our beliefs and our desires for our girls. And, those are important as well. And I'm thinking that, we want to raise girls that know themselves and feel empowered to make choices, self-honoring choices that lead to their happiness. So the more choices that I'm making that I feel is right for me, the more empowered I feel. And most likely, the more it will lead to happier and happier moments or happier days and months and so on. Now, that's not to say these girls, they're growing up, right? They're still adolescents, so they might make a choice that they think is best for them and learn after the fact that it wasn't what was best for them. And that's super important too. That decision alone, even though it seemingly looked like the wrong decision, it was so valuable in teaching them what they really do want. They thought they wanted that, but now they learned, that's not what I wanted. Now that I had that experience, now I am clearer on what I want. Now I can go after that. How awesome is that for our girls? So I hope that you'll use this sentence with them and report back the success that you have. Watch them smile and light up and relax a little bit when they hear this statement from you. If you'd like more, please sign up for our monthly newsletter on barbsteinberg.com and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Barb Steinberg LMSW, Advice for Parents of Teen Girls. Thanks for listening, everybody. Have a great day.